I know most of you have tried to learn these 3D epoxy skills and get the best images and quality for it to better their lives like I did some over 6 years, more than that actually, ago. And if you have been able to make me physically to learn from me, but it's not possible for me to reach everyone. So I don't do physical trainings anymore for now. And I've come up with a formidable online training course. And some of you have taken advantage of it on Frangipani Concrete Business School Online and we're surprised about how better it is than a one-on-one training. Well, this is not some random online training. I'm so sure of this training that it has a money-back guarantee. If you enroll and attend and you don't learn 3D epoxy completely or you get dissatisfied with the training in any way, I will give you your full refund back. I'll show you everything. Insider Secrets has helped us build a multi-billion-dollar business, Naira business from 3D epoxy. Show you how you can do the same too. And what's more sweet about this is that the course is self-paced. So if you're a slow learner, you have no problems. You can learn it for 1 year if need be. If you're quick to learn, no problem. You determine when you complete the course. You would learn certain things like, number one, how to make amazing 3D epoxy surfaces like walls, floors, ceilings like you see me do and I've trained others to do. Number two, you learn how to measure accurately the square meter of an area to work on so you avoid being cheated and you can estimate properly. Three, I'll teach you how to estimate precisely the number and the cost of materials required to do non-fading 3D epoxy for floor walls or for ceiling. And then you would also learn how to know when you're being cheated or when a fake 3D epoxy surface that will peel, break or fade is being done for you. Then you will know why issues arise with 3D epoxy surfaces and how to correct them. Simply by visiting the site, doing an assessment of the failed surfaces, you'll be able to get to how to correct it. Then you also know how to increase your patronage from clients and get people running after you after consistently delivering top quality projects at a reduced cost. So you get tons of customers always chasing you with their money in hand. You're going to get discount prices for products, chemicals that I use in making 3D epoxy surfaces. Because of my major connection to manufacturers of concrete products and other products from time to time, they give discounts to those that come through me. This is something I'll give to everyone who gets trained by me, and it's my little way of supporting you to grow. There are lots more on the training schedule that I can't really cover in this short video, but these are some of the regular questions I get that I'm giving answers to. I talked about them in the video specifically, and you'll be learning from me directly. Francis David Matthew, Africa's king of decorative concrete business. You can ask me questions, I'll answer you right during your lectures. Yes, one-on-one. Of course, the questions has to be related to the topic I'm teaching you. No personal questions or any awkward questions in class, because everybody will be seeing the questions you're asking. It's an interactive session. You have nothing to fear. Just follow the steps to pay for the course with your debit card or through bank transfer, as the case may be, whichever is suitable for you. I assure you, you'll be sending me gifts in no time. Now, if you're satisfied, good. But if you're not satisfied, you'll be getting your money back with no interest though. But you have nothing to lose. You get your money back to your account. And this is guaranteed by a host of other payment processors and providers that we're working in conjunction with. But we really never had any cost to do any refunds to people when the course was completed. So there has been no reason. So you can check it out. 30-day money back guarantee on Frangipani Concrete Business School Online. It's on fdmlearn.com. So head over to fdmlearn.com, click enroll now to sign up for the course with your email address, and then you go on to confirm your email address if you're a new user. Afterwards, you sign into your school portal, you upload your pictures, your passport photograph. It's a complete school online. It's a complete school online, and it's a wonderful experience. I've gotten serious reviews from people that have attended the school, and everybody has been glad. Now, depending on the course you want to buy, you can decide to buy different courses and learn from me. So head over to fdmlearn.com and begin your training for a better life immediately.